Now that we have our PayPal account created, we're ready to configure it. We'll set up some basic settings for our store like time zone and tax ID. We'll also define our sales tax and shipping rates. Log into your PayPal account. Click on My Account, then Profile. We filled out most of the information on this first screen when we signed up. You'll want to specify the tax ID number of your business here, if you have one. On the My Money screen, you can add a bank account. I would recommend adding a bank account so that you can easily withdraw your money once orders start coming in. On the My Settings screen, you'll want to double check that all the settings are correct. Shirts for Mike is based in Florida, so I'll change the time zone to Eastern Time. The majority of the configuration needs to happen here on the My Selling Tool screen. Let's start with the sales tax. We'll be collecting sales tax of 6.5% for sales in Florida, which I can configure here. Keep in mind, I'm not a lawyer or an accountant. Everything I cover here is for informational purposes only, and not for the purpose of providing legal advice or tax advice. You'll want to be sure to talk with an attorney and an accountant to figure out exactly what your business needs to do. Mike will be charging shipping for his shirts, so I'll need to configure these two shipping preferences. Make sure that the shipping location is correct. Mike's shipping address is the same as his business address, so I don't have to make any changes here. The shipping calculations give you a lot of flexibility over shipping charges. You can create multiple shipping options, and you can create rate tables based on dollar amount, weight of products, or quantity of items. Mike's requirements are pretty simple. He wants one shipping option for all of the United States. Let's pick Economy for that shipping option. It will take about 3 to 5 days. He wants shipping charges based on the quantity of shirts. Shipping will be $5 for orders with 1 shirt. For orders with 2 or more shirts, shipping will be free of charge. Let's save these options. We have now configured the sales tax and shipping rates for Mike's store. Next, we'll take a look at the code we'll need to integrate our PayPal account into our website.